How to do a hanging indent in Google Docs. A hanging indent is when the second and subsequent lines of text on a page are indented to the right, so your first line stands out as the only line hitting the margin of the page. Typically, you'd use a hanging indent in a bibliography, works cited, or reference page. Let's scroll down to the part where I want to have the indent on. Here we have a page that we want to do a hanging indent on. First, you want to make sure that you see your ruler. If you can't see it, go to View and check Show Ruler. Second, for entries that are made out of more than one line, you want to make sure that you haven't used the Enter key. What you want to do is select the text that you want to do a hanging indent on. And then as you can see here on top, the ruler is made out of two parts, the triangular part and the square part. Now what we want to do is we want to take the ruler and drag it to the right 1/2 inch, and then you want to take the top and just drag it left, and from here you can press the Enter key, and this will cause a perfect hanging indent. Now as you can see, the beginning of the line has no indent, but the subsequent lines do. And that's how you do a hanging indent in Google Docs.